So I always go back in here and then like this. Then I normally try to see if I can see the reflection in the roof, which it seems I can't right now. Whoa! Shit! Okay, fair enough. I'm you, altitude error. What? Yeah, interesting. All right. Yeah. Excessive rollover. Yeah, you could say that. So I wonder if it survived. I've done this like 1,000 times. I guess it was because, I don't know. The bottom sensor shouldn't be disabled when you are in sport mode. They shouldn't. So, I don't know. Maybe I learned something new today. But the drone survived. It slammed into the roof, into the glass roof. Pretty hard. But it seems it survived. Restart the aircraft is not in flight. Vision obstacle avoidance disabled. Vision sensor blocked. Okay, but normally I don't think it's the bottom sensors that are being disabled, even though you are in sport mode. But that was kind of interesting. It just shows you that you can crash your drone when you least expect it. It's the first serious crash I had with this one. So I guess that's the first one for everything. Let's just see if I can start the motors. Let's just reboot it and see if I can start the motors. Plug in a new battery just to check if everything is like it's supposed to be. No, let's try it again. Let's see if we manage to destroy the drone.
Take off.
And we switch it to normal this time, so we have the sensors available.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So it's not bound to this controller. No, yeah, it survived. It survived. It's not pretty, but it survived. God damn it, man. This is what happens when you have to do something extraordinary fast. So I guess I will not be landing on the glass roof right now when I get it back. But everything seems to be working, so I didn't break anything, so that's nice. So this was the test flight of the DJI Fly app 195 for iOS. And just for the sake of it, let's just see what this guy is doing. Maybe I can track him. See if he would get over here. So I follow you. I'm sneaking into you. Yeah. All right. So this time I will just land it next to the car. All right, back safe on the ground, and this concludes my little testing, including a crash. A quite unexpected crash. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.